Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged. On this channel, you will find information related to WordPress, blogging, product tutorials, updates, and other related topics. Now in this video, we are going to talk about Elementor Pro 3.6. This update is for the Pro version of the Elementor website builder plugin and is focused on elevating the shopping experience while highlighting your brand across your site. Now, I won't be taking a lot of your time, explaining each and every feature in the introduction. But what I have done is I have created timestamps for every topic covered in the description box below, along with the links to Elementor Pro and the cloud website subscription. Make sure you check them out. Now, some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you decide to purchase using my link. Now these commissions help me run this channel. And with that said, let me start sharing the screen, and in the meantime you make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you are notified every time I release a video. Hello guys, and welcome to the screen capture of this video. The first topic that we are going to discuss is the introduction of the page transitions experiment in Elementor Pro 3.6. Now first things first, what exactly is page transitions? Now while browsing the internet, you must have come across sites that display a logo or a loading icon or an animation or any of the brand assets when you navigate from one page to another. Now that screen particularly is known as the page transitions, and using this feature you can boost your brand identity and keep the users engaged on your website. Now, as the name suggests, this feature is right now in experiments. To see this, let's head over to experiments in Elementor and see it for ourselves. Now, to head over to experiments, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Elementor right over here, and then it will take me to the settings, and then I'm going to click the experiments tab right over here. Now let's just scroll down a little and you will find page transitions right over here. Now as you can see, page transitions is right now under ongoing experiments, but it is active by default. Now here I will recommend you implement this feature first on a staging site and then push it to a live environment. And the reason behind this is because this is in beta right now, so it shouldn't cause any problems with your live site. So that is the only reason. Now in case this is deactivated, you have probably deactivated this feature, then you can activate it by clicking this drop down right over here, then selecting active, and then going down to the bottom and saving the changes right over here. Now to see what settings are included, what exactly are the settings for page transitions, what I am going to do is I'm going to head over to pages and then edit this page with Elementor. After this, I'm going to click this hamburger icon on top right over here and then head over to site settings. And there you will see page transitions under settings. So in case you are inside your Elementor dashboard, all you have to do is go to site settings in Elementor and there you will see page transitions. So let's just click page transitions. So the first few settings that you see is the background color, which gives you two options, which is one is the classic and the other is the gradient. The third option is the color, which is the simple color because classic is selected right over here. And at this point of time, entrance is set to none. Entrance animation basically is set to none. So what I am going to do here right now is I'm going to click gradient and it will show you additional options. Okay, it will show you second color, then you can select the type of basically gradient you want, you can set the angle. Okay, all of that stuff that comes with the gradient. So this is basically the background color of the transition. Okay, so this is what basically this setting is all about. This is basically the background color of your transition. You can select either the classic or the gradient. Okay, the next setting is color. You already know classic is selected, so that is why one color, and if you select gradient, then there are multiple options that you get. Okay, moving on, this is the entrance animation and here is the options. You get all of the animations by Elementor right over here. Let's just select fade in right now for right now, and it will show you, it will ask you to select an exit animation as well, and after that you need to select the animation speed. Now this is the preview page. So what I am going to do right now is I am going to increase the animation speed, and let's just click preview transition. You can see this is the, and let's just select fade out. You can see the change, right? Let's just reduce the animation speed, and you can see. So these are basically the basic settings of the page transitions, where you are selecting the background, setting the colors, selecting the entrance and the exit animations, or and the animation speed. Now, what if you want to add a logo or an icon to it? So for that, what you will have to do is you will have to head over to this preloader tab right over here, and it will show you this type drop down. Now, when you will click this type drop down, it will show you a bunch of options. So the first one is animation. When you will click animation, it will show you all of these options. So when you select circle, what's going to show you is this circle. So these are the transitions that basically Elementor gives you. Okay. Then you can select overlap as well. You can see right over here. Nested spinners is right over here. So you exactly get the point what exactly this is, right? So these are pre-built animations that are provided to you by Elementor, and you must have come across these several times while browsing the internet. Now here is a thing. You can set the animation speed right over here, preloader delay right over here. The style is for the color and the size. You can increase the size, which is like this, and you can change the color, which is like this. Okay, now you can always click this preview page transition button and see how it appears for you. Okay, so this is one thing. Now heading over to the next option, which is the icons. So you can see right over here, you can select any of the icons from either the icon library or upload an svg to it. The second thing is the animation. You can again select any of the animations provided, and next is the animation speed, just like the previous setting. Then is the preloader delay, the color that you can change from right over here. You can change it like this. The size, you can reduce it, you can rotate it. You can see it's rotating. Okay, and then preview the page transitions. Now what if you want to upload an image? You can go right over here. You can use dynamic tags as well. Choose an image from your media library right over here. So these are a bunch of images that we have. I can select this one, insert media. You can see right over here. Animation is none right now. You can select any one of these animations as per your requirements. Set the animation speed, preloader delay, width, max width, opacity. It's up to you how you want to design your animation, up to your as per your requirements. So once you are done making these changes, what you will have to do is click update right over here. Now again, I want to stress on this point that page transitions is an ongoing experiment right now. If you are implementing this feature, then make sure you use a staging site first. And once everything works perfectly over there, then push the changes to the live environment. Now, after the page transitions experiment, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the introduction of a new widget in Elementor Pro 3.6, which is the purchase summary widget. Now, as the name suggests, using this widget, you will be able to add a purchase summary page to your Woocommerce site. Now, what exactly is a purchase summary page? Now, it is a page that will be displayed to the users after they successfully check out, and it will contain all of the details of their order. So this widget works in a very simple way, where you drag and drop it to the canvas, drag and drop it to your page when you are editing a page in Elementor, and it will automatically create the bare bones of the page. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's just edit this page in Elementor. And now let's just head over to purchase summary under WooCommerce. This is the WooCommerce widgets that you get. And here is the purchase summary widget. And when you add it, it will automatically create the bare bones of the purchase summary page for you. Now it is important to know here that I have created this dummy order from WooCommerce and I haven't included each and every detail. So some of the tabs that you see on the left might not show you exactly what's going on the canvas. Okay, so this is one thing that I want you to keep in mind. This is just an overview of the page purchase summary widget that I'm showing you. Okay, so let's just head over to these settings. You can see the confirmation message is displayed right on top, right over here. Thank you for your order. You can customize this message as per your requirement, change the alignment, add dynamic tags, enable or disable it. Make sense? Now to the payment details, you can change the order number, date, email, total, and payment. You can see right over here. Some of these labels are right over here, and some of these are missing because again it's a demo order that I created. Then next is the bank details. Again, that is missing because it's a demo order. You can change the alignment from right over here. Change the title, add dynamic tags, downloads, title, and alignment dynamic tags right from here. Purchase summary, you can see order details right over here. This is the order details, and you can set the alignment from here. You can see. Okay. Next is the billing details. Of course, yes, addresses are missing right now, so you cannot see anything right now. Okay, so you cannot see that section right now. So alignment from right over here and title from right over here. Shipping address, the title you can change again, add dynamic tags, alignment, and then you can preview settings based on latest order or order ID. It's up to you. Okay, so this is basically the purchase summary widget for you. Now it is important to know that a similar sort of widgets you would have encountered in Elementor Pro 3.5. We covered them in the video that we made on that update. Those widgets were checkout, cart, and my account, and using that you can create those essential pages with just by dragging and dropping those widgets onto the page. This widget works exactly the same way. It fetches the information, and all you have to do is customize the labels according to your requirement. Now coming to the design settings of things, you can go to styles and then change the style settings for the sections, the typography, payment detail, bank detail, and order detail from right over here. Okay, you can see all of these details you can change. Okay, so Elementor gives you access to everything. It's up to you how you want to build this page, how you want to design this page. Now in case you want to check that Elementor Pro 3.5 video, then I'll link to that in the description box below. Now another interesting thing that you will come across is when I will hit this publish from here, it will give me a pop-up to set this page as the purchase summary page. So when I click save, it will save it as the purchase summary page automatically. Okay, now anybody who places an order successfully will be shown this page after the checkout is successfully completed. Now you have to keep in mind here is that in case you want to change this page, in case you want to replace, add another page as your purchase summary page instead of this one, then what you will have to do is you will have to head over to site settings, go to WooCommerce, and there you will see the purchase summary drop down. Click this, enter the name of the page right over here, and then click update, and it will automatically update it for you. You will not have to do anything else. So this is the purchase summary widget for you. Make sure you check it out and let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this. Now, after the purchase summary widget, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the introduction of another new widget in Elementor Pro 3.6, and that is the WooCommerce notices. Now, as the name suggests, using this widget, you will be able to customize the notices or the messages that you see in your WooCommerce store. So now you must have experienced this while shopping online, that when you add a product to the cart, or when you remove a product to the cart, or remove a product from the cart, and or you are missing a certain detail while checking out, you see a message, right? You see a notification that you are missing a detail, or probably you've added this product or you've removed this product. Now using this widget, you will be able to customize each of those messages. Now it is important to know here that, if you are using default WooCommerce pages for your checkout cart and account, you can see right over here, these are the default checkout pages. Then in these pages, these notices are displayed in the header section. Now, when you will use this widget on your custom checkout or cart or my account pages, or even on product archive and on single product pages, then you will be able to display these notices anywhere you want, and you will be able to design them or customize them as per your requirement to fit the theme, to fit the design of your site. Okay, let me first show you where these notices are exactly displayed, and then I'm going to show you what exactly you can do with these. So this is the default checkout page. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click view right over here, and I'm going to scroll straight down to the bottom. I'm not going to fill out any details, and I'm going to click place order. And you can see these widgets are displayed right, or these notices are displayed right on top. Okay, so this is the default WooCommerce page. Now to show you what you can exactly do with WooCommerce notices widget, what I am going to do here is I am going to set this checkout Elementor page as the checkout page, and then I'm going to add the WooCommerce notices. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit it with Elementor, and then I'm going to click this hamburger icon right here on top. Then I'm going to go to site settings, and then I am going to go to WooCommerce right over here, and I'm going to set this check out Elementor page as the checkout page for this site. Now what I am going to do is I am going to go back, I'm going to close this. I'm going to head to the WooCommerce section, which is right over here, and I am going to add this notices widget. Go down to the bottom and add it right over here. Okay, now as soon as I will add it, you can see this is an example of a WooCommerce notice. You won't see it while previewing your site, and WooCommerce notices this is what you see. So basically you are seeing no settings, but there is an option to change the design of your notices. You need to go to your WooCommerce settings. So you need to click it right over here, and it will take you to this notices section. Now before we talk more about this notices tab and I start discussing the notices type, what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this, and I'm going to show you another way you can reach this notices widget, which I'm going to show you right now. Let's just close this. Now let's just say you are on any of the pages where you have already added this WooCommerce notices widget, and now if you want to customize them, what you are going to do is you're going to click this hamburger icon on top, then click site settings, and then head over to WooCommerce, and there you will see the notices tab. Okay, again the same settings. Now if you are adding it for the first time, then you can go from the message that you see, and if you want to edit, then you need to go through site settings, then WooCommerce, and then the notices tab. Now there are three types of notices that you can basically customize based on your requirements, and these are error notices. Basically when you don't fill out anything, you want to display information notices, then this is, if you want to display any of the messages, then this. Now let's just configure error notices for right now, and when you select this, you would see error notices like this. Okay, now this is the tab that appears when you select error notices right over here, and there you see all of the settings. So the first one is notice text. You can change the color, typography, shadow, icon, color, link text, typography again. Okay, sorry, this is for the icon, this is the color and the link text, which is this one right over here. Okay, then the notice box, the background type, the box shadow. You can change pretty much anything depending on your requirement. Now if you want to customize multiple notices, then what you can do is you can customize message notices as well. You can see right over here, it displays you everything and there is the tab for it. Click this and you will see all of the style settings as well. Now it is important to know Elementor does not recommend using multiple of these notices or multiple of these notices type on your on a single page. So for example, if you are configuring error notices, then try not to configure message notices with it as well, or the info notices with it as well. So for that, what I am going to do is I'm going to drop a link in the description box below for the Elementor for the documentation for the WooCommerce notices, and you can go through it. Later on, I will create a tutorial on WooCommerce notices as well. This is for right now a basic overview of this new widget in Elementor Pro 3.6. Now after the new WooCommerce notices widget, the next change that has been introduced in Elementor 3.6 is to the custom add to cart button. Now in this change, a new layout option has been added, and to showcase you this, what I have done here is I have created two posts, one in Elementor Pro 3.6, which is this one, and the other in Elementor Pro 3.5, which is this one. So what I am going to do right now is I am going to click this post and edit it in Elementor. So you can see I have already added the custom add to cart button right over here, and I'm going to click this, and you can see there are two options that you are already familiar with, which is the one is product and the other is button, but the layout option is missing. Now to show you the new layout option, what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this post in Elementor, and you can see the add to cart, the custom add to cart widget I have already added, and the layout option is right over here. Let me show you the change again. This is the Elementor Pro 3.5, the layout tab is missing. This is the Elementor Pro 3.6, the layout tab is right over here. Now to select a layout, what you are going to do is you're going to click this layout option, and the default layout option is inline. When I click this drop down, it will show me two more options. One is stacked and the other one is auto. You can select any one of these options depending on your requirement, and then click this publish button right over here. So these are all the changes that has been introduced in Elementor Pro 3.6. Now, if you have found this video helpful and want to give Elementor Pro or Cloud website a try, then I have left a link to Elementor in the description box below. Now, if you'll purchase any of the Elementor plans using this link, then I will make a small commission. Now, what I am going to cover in this section is what features are included in each of the Elementor Pro plans and the Cloud website subscription. Now this will help you decide which plan you must go for and what exactly is that you are going to get. Now currently I am on Elementor's homepage, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click pricing right over here, and it will take me to its pricing page. Here you will see two website creation paths. One is the website builder plus hosting, and the other one is the website builder. Now, in case you are looking to start your website and want to use Elementor to create your website from scratch, then Elementor Cloud website for you, and this is the solution for you. Website builder plus hosting. Now, if you have an existing website and want to just use Elementor Pro, then website builder is for you. As right now we are on the Elementor Cloud website's pricing, so I am going to discuss just that. Let me share its features with you, its pricing with you. Then I'm going to discuss it for the Elementor Pro. So what you exactly get in Elementor Cloud website is the hosting and the Pro plugin. So first things first, what's included in hosting? So Elementor Cloud is powered by Google Cloud Platform. Okay, it includes Cloudflare's CDN, free SSL certificate, automatic daily backups, and a lot more things such as pre-installed WordPress, pre-installed Hello theme, and comes with each and every feature of the Elementor Pro plugin. Now remember this plan was launched by Elementor to take care of all of the technical side of things for you while you focus on creating or building your website. Now this plan is priced at $99 a year. You can see right over here, and comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. Now, another thing you will have to know about this plan is that there are no hidden charges. This is a fixed pricing. Okay, and this means even on renewals, you will be paying this price only. It's not like other companies where you will have to shell out 3x or 4x the amount what you have initially paid. So this is the Elementor Cloud website plan for you. Let me take you through each of these features once again, which are listed right over here. So as far as the editor is concerned, what you get is the drag and drop editor. There is a responsive editing. There are designer made templates, live editing, widgets, and global colors, fonts, and everything like that. Now, when it comes to design, you can change anything that you want, as you know, colors, typographies, layouts. You get access to kits library where you will get access to complete website kits that you can use and download with just one click. Again, you get access to motions and interactions. You can add custom CSS. Now coming to the CMS tools, what you get is the My Elementor dashboard. This is from where you will be managing your web hosting, the Elementor cloud hosting. This is where you will be managing it. Then the WordPress comes pre-installed. Hello theme comes pre-installed. There is a theme builder using which you can design every part of your website from scratch. Then you get access to shortcodes where you can basically each and every section that you create in Elementor generates a shortcode, and you can embed that section anywhere on your site using this functionality. Then you get access to dynamic content. Now this is really an interesting feature using which you can basically use dynamic tags to create personalized experience for people. Now Elementor is constantly extending this feature, and it is really helpful if you want to create unique experiences for your users. Now when it comes to web hosting, we have already discussed it is powered by Google Cloud Platform. Then you get free SSL certificate. Again, you do not have to activate it or do anything. Elementor does it for you. It comes pre-activated. Then there is Cloudflare CDN. This also is built in, done for you. You do not have to do anything. And you can connect your custom domain. Then there is the backup and restore feature, and you get access to 20 GB of storage, up to 100k unique monthly visits with 100 GB of bandwidth. Now as far as the support is concerned, you got access to live chat, specialized experts, worldwide support. You can talk to their agents anytime. Plus there is a huge documentation that Elementor has created for you. On top of this, creators like me are also creating articles around Elementor Cloud website, so you can follow them as well, follow me as well, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so this is what you exactly get in Elementor Cloud website. In case you want to start your site and want to design it with Elementor Pro plugin, then this is the website. This is the cloud hosting solution for you. In case you want to stay away from all of the technicalities, the technical hassle that comes with running a website, then this cloud hosting solution is for you. Okay, so it is again priced at $99 per year, and you can just click it right over here and it will take you to the checkout page. The checkout process is pretty simple. You just have to create an account and pay for it. Rest, just follow the sequence and it will install WordPress for you within a few minutes. Okay, now going to the Pro plugin, what you get in the Pro plugin. So in case you want to buy Pro plugin and you are on this page, just click this and it will take you to the Pro plugin. Now there are 5 plans that you will get. The first one is the Essential plan. The second one is the Advanced plan, which is this one. Then the third is the Expert plan, Studio plan, and Agency plan. Now in Essential plan, you can use it only on one website. I have this plan and the cloud hosting plan. Okay, I have both. Then in the advanced plan, you can use the license on 3 sites, expert plan on 25, studio plan on 100, and agency plan on 1000. The essential plan pricing is 49. For 3 sites you will have to pay $99. For expert plan 199, studio plan 499, agency plan 999. Now what you get in these is each and every Elementor Pro feature plus premium support and website kits. I will come to Elementor Pro features first. You need to understand what you will get in which plan. Okay, then in expert plan onwards, what you get is the expert website kits and expert and access to the Elementor expert profile. Now this is a platform where you can find work for you, where you can showcase your work and get hired for projects. So if you are a designer or a developer looking to use Elementor Pro, then expert plan is for you. You can always upgrade to another plan. You will get activations for 25 websites, plus you can showcase your work on an official website that is created by Elementor. Okay, so this is the expert plan for you. Now moving on, in studio and agency plan, what you get is the VIP support. Now remember here, you get premium support till expert plan, and in studio plan you get VIP support. Okay, here you get access to 24/7 live chat and priority responses on your tickets and stuff like that. Okay, now another thing that you will have to remember here is that if you buy the Elementor cloud hosting, if you buy the Elementor cloud website plan, then you get access to live chat there as well, plus the expert website kits as well. But you do not get access to Elementor expert profile. Okay, so remember this difference, where in cloud website you will get access to 24/7 live chat and expert website kits. Okay, now moving on to Elementor Pro features. There you can see the drag and drop editor, responsive editing, live editing, global editing. Then again, these are the global colors and fonts and stuff like that. Okay, then there is the theme builder, the widgets. Then in the design you get global colors, global fonts, custom CSS, website kits, motion and interaction, designer made templates. Marketing and e-commerce, you get the Woocommerce builder, the landing page builder, pop-up builder, integration, dynamic content, form builder. Now remember, marketing these marketing integrations and e-commerce features you get in Elementor cloud website plan as well. You don't have to pay anything extra. Whatever is that you are getting in Elementor Pro, you will get in Elementor cloud website as well. Okay, if it's not listed over there, that does not mean you will not get it. As a user of it, I can tell you, you will get it. Okay, now as far as the workflow is concerned, you get access to site settings, mark widgets as favorite, drag from desktop, finder, notes, multi-select, everything you will get. Okay, then in advanced you will get access to custom code. You can add custom codes. This is basically used for basically verification of your Pinterest profile, adding your site to um, in the Google search, in the Bing search, adding Google Analytics. This is what this feature is for. You will not need a third party plugin for this. Okay, then you can enable safe mode, roles manager, replace URL maintenance, and custom attributes. So this is what exactly you get. Again, let me take you through the pricing. Essential plan, single website, $49. Advanced plan, which is right over here, 3 pro websites, $99. Expert plan, 25 pro websites, $199. Studio plan, 100 pro websites, $499. Agency plan, 1000 pro websites for $999 per year. Again, link to Elementor is in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. It will be the top, it will be the first link everywhere. Okay, You can use it to purchase these. I will make a small commission. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you are notified every time we release a video. Now in case you have any queries related to this topic, then feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials, Elementor Pro and cloud website subscription are in the description box below. Make sure you follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.